In today's video, I'm going to chat to you about 10 ways how you can make your life easier using your phone as a wedding photographer. So emails and social media is extra today. I'm not going to make it part of the 10. We all know you can answer emails and communicate with clients via email or social media. So I want to throw in a couple of tips, a couple of apps. App number 1 is Canva. For me, Canva is such an amazing app. You can use the free version or the paid version. The paid version will obviously give you way more, but I create my thumbnails, I create my Instagram stories, my Instagram posts, everything that I post normally with regards to social media, I do through Canva. You get text, you get sounds. These days you can even make videos on Canva, and it's definitely an app to explore. Another app that I use is Unfold. Unfold I also use for my Instagram stories or Instagram posts. You can do various things there, various designs. You can add grain, you can do different colors and presets there. It's really cool to up your game with regards to branding and your look and feel of your social media. The next app is an app I've been using for probably 5 or 6 years. It's an app that I've spoken about in a previous video, and I still use it up to this day. It helps me to see where the light's gonna be on a specific wedding venue or a specific shoot where I'm at. You can actually look at the different times of year. Let's say I've got a wedding next year, June. I can go to the specific venue. I can just search it on Google, go to the venue and see where the sun will be setting, what time it will be setting, and that will help me to plan my shoot for the day, whether it's engagement shoot, family shoot, wedding, and the app's name is Sunseeker. It is a paid app, but absolutely worth it. Another tip for you guys to grow your business in 2023 with regards to apps and using your phone is Instagram Reels. It might seem like a very obvious one, but I can promise you a lot of people don't know this. So use the actual Instagram app. You go down here to the Reels and you scroll up until you find a reel that's got this use template. You can listen to the music, etc. You click on use template, go down there by using template again, then click on this block and you can go to a gallery that you like. I've got one here that says Insta, and then you can start adding a couple of photos like that. You go next. This specific template allows for 4 photos. You can go to next and it will play it with the music, and you've got your reel going. The next app, and this is by far probably one of the apps I use the most, and a lot of people find it obvious. A lot of people still don't use it as they should, and that is YouTube. Guys, YouTube, the information, it's the online university. It's where I have learned everything with regards to my business. Yes, I have learned from friends and other peers in the industry, but most of what I've learned with regards to my business, with regards to my photography and my photography skills and editing skills, I've learned from YouTube. I scroll on YouTube every day for information, whether it's with regards to investments, with regards to investment in my business or anything else. YouTube is something you need to use every single day. The next thing I want to encourage you to get is a good CRM, Client Relation Manager. I use Studio Ninja. It's a program or an app where I do my books. I communicate with clients through it. I use it to make bookings. It will actually help you not to make double bookings. It will tell you when a client needs to pay. You can do your contracts through it. There's so many things you can do through a good CRM. There's plenty on the market. One I can highly recommend to you guys is Studio Ninja. The next app I want to encourage you to use is Lightroom on mobile, guys. Lightroom Mobile is very powerful. You can use it for all your behind the scene photos, to edit them and post them directly to Instagram or Facebook or whatever you want to use, and it will just make your brand still stand out and look the way you want it to look. I use, for instance, my own preset, my KT presets on the different photos that I take with my phone, and upload that to my Instagram stories, and it still have a great look. The last 2 apps I want to talk about, guys, is really incredible. It helps me so much, and the first one is SmugMug. SmugMug is how I give my clients their online galleries of their photo shoots, and the nice thing about it is I have full access to it on my phone as well, so do they. But if I quickly need a photo for Happy New Year's of clients maybe lifting up a champagne glass, I quickly go to SmugMug. I know which wedding I had a shot like that. I download the image and I can put it on Instagram on the go. So another app that I use and still use up to this day is Dropbox. It's a powerful app. It's an instant app, especially if you've got a good internet line. I've got Dropbox on my phone and obviously on my PC. And the nice thing about it is I can have different folders within Dropbox, and I can export from Lightroom into the specific folder, and I have it on my phone by just downloading it from the app, and I can send it either to a client, email it to a service provider, and it's a good way to build a network, build relations, and be instant about your photos. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't watched my last video where I talk about AI mask in Lightroom, click on it now and have a look at it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.